More than means add. Times as many means multiply.
Welcome to Times as Many Meadow. Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. To navigate this landscape, we must multiply or divide to solve comparison word problems, visually distinguishing between multiplicative and additive relationships. These environmental labels record the evidence. Kit's movement shows how the quantities grow or divide, making the mathematical relationship visible before it is ever written down. When we see how quantities relate physically in nature, we can reliably choose the correct mathematical operation without guessing. Here at the first obstacle, a jay hides 6 acorns, but Kit finds a stash with 3 times as many. How many acorns are in the stash? 3 times as many means exactly 3 copies of 6. We multiply. 3 times 6 equals 18. The stash holds 18 acorns because 3 times 6 equals 18. Times as many builds a new total by stacking full equal copies of a base quantity. At the pond, we find 24 minnows. This total is 4 times as many as its trout. How many trout are there? The total is known. The 24 represents 4 copies of the unknown trout count. Divide 24 by 4 to get 6. Check this. 4 times 6 equals 24. There are 6 trout because 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Seeing the word times doesn't dictate multiplication. If the environment gives the large total first, we divide to find the smaller base group. Kit arrives at a fork in the path. The first bush has 4 berries. The second has 8 more berries. And the third has 2 times as many. How many berries do the second and third bushes have? Look closely at the physical cues for 8 more and 2 times as many. Identify the operation for each before we calculate. The additive path adds to the base. 4 plus 8 equals 12. The multiplicative path multiplies. 2 times 4 equals 8. The second bush has 12 berries and the third has 8. More adds, times as many multiplies. More than adds a new amount to the end, while times as many generates identical clones of the original amount. At the river path, the burrow tunnel is 4 meters long, but the path itself is 5 times as long. How long is the river path? 5 times as long requires 5 continuous copies of that 4-meter length. We multiply. 5 times 4 equals 20. The river path is 20 meters long because 5 times 4 equals 20. Whether counting individual acorns or measuring continuous lengths, the structural rule of multiplicative comparison remains the same. Solving these problems starts by identifying the structure within the landscape. These labels define each quantity, while the animal's actions demonstrate how those values relate to one another. Standard mathematical notation simply records this physical reality. Which label in the environment tells you the most important mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action prove it? Mathematical logic exists as a physical structure, woven directly into the natural world around us.
5 groups of 4 meters make a 20-meter path.